They just really cared about us being excited to have our house finally done, and they all wanted to be part of it. We weren't just another customer and they were moving on to the next. They were excited along with us. My name is Michael Storer.
And my name is Fay-Lynn Storer.
We worked with the Johnson City, Tennessee office, and we built the Hill I Modern Farmhouse plan.
We decided to build a new home and just start from scratch for a couple reasons.
We had decided that we wanted to downgrade into something smaller and something that was easier to maintain.
We had so much remodeling to do, it was kind of overwhelming, and we thought, well, we'll just start with having everything the way that we'd like it.
The way we found out about America's Home Place, we were driving where the strip mall is, where they're located, going to eat. We had been looking all over the place for builders or whatever we could find, and we happened to look over and saw the office. Our first point of contact was Ryan Shoemate. Started with a phone call, and pretty soon after the phone call we came in. The thing that I really loved about it was the process. Going into the office and they had all these plans to choose from, and not only that, you could pick your cabinets, your flooring, the roofing. Everything could be looked at right there on the spot and chosen, which worked great for us. During the time that we started building was the time when materials were really difficult to get. Them getting right on them right away, getting them ordered, was a big stress relief for me. You know, some of the builders that we talked to, they literally told us we can't even lock in a price. With America's Home Place, when you sign the paperwork, it has a flat price. Then you know exactly what you're paying, and it doesn't change unless you make changes yourself.
We've never worked with a builder that was so low stress and organized and actually followed through with what they said that they were going to do.
The reason why we built our home on this particular piece of land is because our last house was literally 30 seconds down the road on this same street, and we really, really love this area.
And we're kind of thankful for that now because the view from upstairs is just amazing.
Yeah. Our project manager on this house was Jesse Johnson. He did an incredible job.
Jesse even made us custom handrails real quick within an hour or so. He planned on just not needing to leave there, but it was going to work out easier for my mom, who's elderly and blind.
So we kept him.
Yeah. We didn't do a lot of changes with the floor plan. We did move the refrigerator from its location next to what should be a range so that we could have a separate cooktop and wall oven.
Just little things that they helped us out with, like relocating the water heater so that we could fit a fridge in the pantry, adding windows in the master bedroom. I even hit them with a fireplace the last 5 minutes. You know, we were literally getting ready to sign the papers, and I said, I want a fireplace. And they were more than okay with that, and sat down and gave us all the different options for fireplaces. So it was just a great experience. America's Home Place was very cooperative with changing our plans. Like I said, we've changed home plans altogether. It was never a problem.
We have already recommended America's Home Place to several people.
They kept in touch with me in every way you could, by phone, by text, by email.
Very friendly, very good communication. One thing that both Jesse and Jordan did was, as soon as something was completed, one of them would be calling us and, hey, did you get over there and look at this? And are there any problems with it before we go any further? And
everything was always handled quickly and professionally, which again, relieves the stress from the customer. Literally on the last day when we finally got our permit to move in, they were all here. They were all working together, excited for us, had us a custom sign made with our last name on it, which we really appreciated. They just really cared about us being excited to have our house finally done.
And I can't believe how smooth this process went with them. We've never seen a builder accomplish what they accomplished in that time frame.
They kept their word, and they finished very, very nicely.